Welcome to Cartoon Life! Let's learn, play, and have fun together! Hello, little friends! Are you ready for some colorful magic today? Today, we will do a super fun magic color experiment!
Clap your hands and get excited because magic is starting now!
No wand, no spells, just fun science magic. Let's begin and see what amazing colors we can make. Here we have a clean glass, ready for our experiment.
Now we pour some fresh, clear water into the glass.
Look how shiny and still the water is right now. Get ready! The colors are coming very soon. Drop, drop. Here comes the bright red color. The whole water is turning beautiful red. Wow! Isn't that amazing, kids?
Let's see what happens when we add another color.
Now, here comes a drop of cool blue color. Look! Red and blue are mixing together. It's turning into a pretty purple color. Purple looks so magical and shiny. Colors can change when they mix together. Can you guess what color comes next?
Let's count together. 3, 2, 1.
Did you guess it right?
Let's find out!
Here comes a bright yellow drop.
Yellow is mixing with blue. Look closely. Green looks so cool and full of life. Now let's add a tiny drop of soap. Look at the bubbles! They are dancing everywhere! Cartoon Life! Like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time, friends! Bye!